Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to cover the font and paragraph submenus. And one of the things you'll notice is that you can write in your content and you can alter it just as you would any other word processing document, or perhaps if you have used Microsoft Word. So for example, if you have content written in, you can bold, you can italicize, you can underline, you can color your text. And this is pretty standard for any desktop application. You can raise the size of the font. You can lower the size of the font. You can change the nature of the font. If you begin to work inside of a text box, as you can see here, we can even change the justification of a font. So for example, we can center, we can right justify, we can equally justify. We can change the nature of a page from one column to two columns. In this case, you'll see two columns, but we can just as easily turn this into one column, or we can change it to three columns. We can change the direction of the text. And we can choose whether or not we're going to use bullet points or not. And you can see in this case we've chosen none. We can go back and we can change it again to a certain kind of bullet. We can even change those bullets into numbers. We can change the spacing between the lines. And we can also change the spacing between the characters. So for example, we can keep our spacing very tight between characters, or we can make it loose between characters. So PowerPoint gives you ultimate control over how you want your content to appear inside of your particular slide. Now, whenever you are placing content inside of your PowerPoint slide, everything appears inside of an area. So for example, we can take this entire area by clicking on the outline. We can hit the delete button, and we have effectively taken away the entire dialog box. Of course, we can use the undo command to put everything back, and the undo command will be right there. And this is important because placing content inside of your PowerPoint slides is going to be a function of finding the right box. For example, if we're going to change the content in this area, we're going to click inside of this text box. We're going to click inside of this text box, though, to change our title. So you now have the basic tools of being able to write content into any slide and make it appear however you'd like it to according to the needs of your presentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.